Coral Garden is home to Chinese food, and I ordered their Lomi and their Cuapao. So if you're ready, let's go! Starting off with their Lomi, you can see the Lomi noodles, the egg. You can also see onion leeks, carrots, Chinese pechay. You can also see pork. You can see shrimp. Now, Lomi is a Filipino dish using thick egg noodles, and the soup is thick, also thickened by cornstarch. For 215 pesos, this is not such a large meal, but it will depend on the taste. So let's go ahead and taste it. Just how Lomi should taste like. Now for me, I think this lacks a little salt. So, as is, if you do buy the Lomi, I would suggest you add in a little fish sauce and calamansi juice. One more bite. Let's move on to the Cuapao. So, this is the Cuapao for 135. Now, Cuapao is like siopao. The only difference is the bread is elongated and there are peanuts and vegetables inside the Cuapao. Now, as we look inside the Cuapao, you can see a whole piece of roasted pork. You can see the cilantro leaves. You can see peanuts. You can see the mustard greens. And you can see some hot sauce. You also have the white Chinese buns or the mantao. Now, let's bite into the Cuapao. The cilantro and the peanuts really give this Cuapao a very different flavor from the normal siopao that Filipinos eat. The meat is soft. You can definitely taste the fat. The sweetness of the pork is just right. The mustard greens does give it that little sourness. The cilantro does give it that little bitterness. And the peanuts does give the crunchy flavor to this soft Cuapao. Now, Filipinos usually eat their siopao or Cuapao with sweet sauce, but they did not have any sweet sauce because of the pandemic. But if you were to ask me, this Cuapao is just right. Perfect. One more bite. So, for 215, the Lomi was as expected. It had the thick egg noodles. The soup was thick. It also had all the other ingredients a pork Lomi should have with the addition of shrimp. For me, the Lomi would have been better if it was a little bit salty or they provided some fish sauce or calamansi juice. But since it's the pandemic, well, we have to understand. Now, for the Cuapao was soft. The roast pork was soft and sweet. The peanuts gave it a crunch. The cilantro plus the fermented mustard did give it that sourness and bitter flavor. Overall, the Cuapao was perfect. As mentioned, Coral Garden is Chinese. Now, if you're into the Chinese vibe, then that place is for you. And if you're not yet subscribed, make sure to subscribe comment below, and I will see you in the next video.